Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Ask Sanjeev. Mishra. This is episode number 30. Tejas is recording it. And today's question is how to get approved on affiliate marketplaces with your new user account even when you are starting. To promote affiliate products, either you will go to affiliate marketplaces or individual product providers, right? So affiliate marketplaces like Max Bounty, Share a Sale, ClickBank, there are many. CJ is there. So there are many affiliate marketplaces where you need to register with a new account, you need to provide more information, and then your application will go for review. Affiliate marketplace provider will review your application. Based on your application, they will take a decision whether to approve the account or reject the account. Most of the time, the new users who are just starting, the beginners, they got rejected on marketplaces. Marketplaces are very strict. They ask questions, and then based on the answer, they will take a decision whether this guy is genuine or not, whether this guy will be able to promote the product or not, whether this guy is just trying the platform and he is not going to convert any sale. Based on these things, based on your experiences that you have defined, the account will be approved or rejected. Even if your account is rejected, you can't do anything. You can't promote their product. So that is more like a jailed situation, where you are feeling, okay, I can't promote anything. I can't promote any product of that affiliate marketplace. Even I was pretty much aware of affiliate marketing. So how to get your account approved? You need to go in the psyche of that marketplace owner or affiliate manager. You need to understand his situation, what exactly he is looking for. He is looking for an affiliate who will actively promote the products on different channels, who is having experience and expertise, who is having money to invest on Facebook ads or Google ads, and then he will bring traffic on the landing pages of their advertisers, and then he will gradually make the sale. So when you are providing all the information at the time of registration, you need to make sure that you are providing information which is required, not the real information probably. So if the affiliate marketer is or the manager is looking for information like the guy is aware of email marketing, the guy is aware of lead magnet, the guy is aware of SEO and blogging, you need to mention those things. You need to register a domain first, have a website, create a website using WordPress. Create a website using WordPress over there. You can see the description area. I may find the link to how to create a WordPress site. So go ahead and create a website over there. After that, go for the registration process. On that website, start publishing 1 or 2 articles first related to those kind of content. So you have a website, and now at the time of registration, you will provide all these information like I am going to promote your product through email marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, blogging, solo ads, many other channels. So you are going to mention all these things. Then you will write the experience that you have. In experience, go ahead and provide a detail. See, you'll have to bluff a little. You'll have to write that, okay, I am promoting affiliate products since last 3 years, and I promoted through Facebook ads. I was already having conversion. Mention 1 or 2 competitors over there, like I promoted ClickBank and CJ, and finally write about the traffic that you are getting. Mention that you have, say, 10,000 subscribers and you are getting 5,000 traffic daily on your landing pages, and you are going to promote their products because you just got aware about Max Bounty and you are going to promote it in your existing subscribers as well. So mention these things. Let them know that you are aware of affiliate marketing terminologies. Let them know that you are having a website, you understand how to make a website, you understand how to write pages and create landing pages, you understand how to create opt-in forms and what is email marketing. All these things you can mention over there. You can mention Aweber, MailChimp, and the tools that marketers use to promote a product. Okay, so in your application, mention all these things. It's not like just I am here, I am an affiliate marketer, I want to promote. Not like that. You will have to show them your expertise. You will have to show them that you are aware of probably already using these tools, and you are going to help them in getting more and more sales. So once you mention these things when you are submitting the form, after that, if you get Skype ID or any call details, phone details, contact details of their affiliate manager who is going to approve your account, proactively go ahead and call that person. Go ahead and ping that person on Skype. Tell them that, okay, I have submitted my application form and I want the approval instantly because I have the landing page ready. I am going to promote a product. So rather than waiting for their response, go ahead and proactively ask them for approval. Let them know that you are not afraid. Let them know that you are waiting with a landing page, you are waiting with a traffic just to promote the product. Once you are approved, you will promote the product. So let them feel this thing. See, they are going to approve your account. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family members who is planning to have affiliate marketplace account and they want to promote affiliate products over there. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.